Good morning and a happy Sunday. New Orleans is just glowing coming off of last night's active forecast for southeast Louisiana. A beautiful sunrise, and it's showcasing that high pressure has returned. We do have no more fog concerns across the state, so that dense fog advisory dropped a little bit prematurely. It was supposed to last until 9, but you'll see the visibilities at this point look great, so no issues on the roads there. Here's the radar picture. Just want to show you how far east all the storms from last night have pushed. Still tornado watches in effect for parts of the Florida Panhandle into the Big Bend, and these storms are still packing a punch. Severe thunderstorm warnings even still almost 12 hours since we were dealing with all this across southeast Louisiana. So far so good this morning. Upper 40s to 50s instead, not too far off of the 60-degree mark already on the south shore. We continue with our dew point values much lower as well, and that's always a sign of drier and less humid air in the forecast for the rest of this year. We're really going to see a nice pattern shaping up into the next few days, and our winds are transitioning out of the north. And of course, yesterday we were dealing with that southerly flow, so a completely different outlook today as you may be heading into the Superdome for the final time this season as far as the Saints are concerned. Of course, the Sugar Bowl not far off, and the Super Bowl here as well. So we'll continue with the 70s heading into 10 o'clock. Low 70s as we approach this afternoon. Should be absolutely stunning, both in and outside the dome. Looking ahead, we are going to continue with that cooler, less humid forecast for the rest of the year and a quiet pattern overall. So again, that dense fog advisory has early ended as we continue with drier air on the backside of this system. If you look at the water vapor imagery, it's not tough to see where that whole entire low pressure system moved through, and now we're starting to see the implications on the back end, which are much improved. So our forecast for the rest of 2024 continues to top out right around 70 itself, just a little bit warmer as we get into tomorrow, but overall pretty consistent. Your New Year's Eve outlook looks great also. We'll see the low 50s as we approach midnight. So it's going to be cold. Make sure that you're planning to bundle up depending on what you have in mind. Those fireworks should be very easy to see. As we approach the rest of the start of the year, it's going to be much colder. So our big cold front coming through as we approach New Year's Day, and then when the 50 to 60 degree range stay put for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to start off the year. The chance of rain is 0 as we head into the next few days. So we got all that rain yesterday, and that was the last of it for some time, about a whole week drying out. We're also going to be below average as we approach the extended outlook. So something to look forward to for the start of 2025 if you're a fan of seasonal conditions. It's been a while since we've been as cool as we should be. Lots of sunshine in the outlook for the next couple of days. Really, as we said, not seeing any rain chances whatsoever. So we'll go from those lower 70s to the 40s and 50s into the overnight time frame. You can expect the 60s to return for highs on the first of the year, and then we'll continue with even colder temperatures into the end of the week. At that point, just a couple degrees above freezing on the North Shore, and we'll stay in the 40s consistently across South Shore locations.